Hi there! Today I'll show you how to use the Christmas Planner template, which you can purchase on our website SpreadsheetsHub.com. Plan your perfect holiday season with this convenient and user-friendly template. Before getting started, take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll guide you through how to use the template effectively. In the first step, you need to set your holiday budget and specify the main categories. Next, the steps explain how to outline your spending to help you track everything and remain within your planned budget. The third and fourth steps walk you through recording all gift information and then analyzing the outcomes. This allows you to easily monitor your spending and make informed decisions. The final step demonstrates how to organize your tasks clearly and keep everything on track. Go to the planning sheet. Start by entering your information in the main categories. In the recipient block, you can list the people or groups you're planning to buy gifts for, such as family members, friends, coworkers, kids, teachers, neighbors, or anyone else on your holiday list. In the category section, enter the main areas of your holiday spending. Include categories such as family, friends, colleagues, Secret Santa, relatives, school, home, and other to organize your budget clearly. Use the shop block to organize where you'll buy each item, whether it's online or in store. For example, major online retailers, local shops, supermarkets, or specialty stores. In the gift status block, you can track the progress of each gift, for example, planned, purchased, wrapped, or delivered. In the preparations block, you can organize all your holiday tasks. List activities such as wrapping gifts, sending cards, preparing food, making donations, decorating, and setting up the Christmas tree to stay on top of everything. You can specify up to 100 categories in each block. Enter the amounts for gifts budget and prep budget. The total data is calculated automatically. Go to the prep sheet. Here, you can enter all your preparation-related costs to keep your holiday budget organized. Specify the date. Enter the amount. Select the preparation. Drop-down lists are generated based on the information specified on the planning sheet. Select the recipient. Select the category, and shop. If necessary, enter notes. Let's specify more examples. Totals are calculated automatically, helping you manage your spending and stay within your budget. Next, go to the gifts sheet. Begin filling in the data by entering information about gifts in the table below. The drop-down lists for this table are also generated based on the data specified in the planning sheet. Select the category, enter the gift name. Select the shop. If necessary, enter the link. Set your budget. Enter actual spending. The difference column is calculated automatically and shows the difference between the budget and the actual amount. Select status. If necessary, you can specify the delivery address. To make things easier, the input cells are white, and the cells with formulas that calculate automatically are highlighted in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells, as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data. And click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. The template is originally in English, but if you'd like to switch the tables to another language, our TranslateHub tool makes it fast, accurate, and incredibly easy. You can find the link in the description below. We will return to the analysis block after specifying the task information. Let's enter some example tasks. Select the recipient. Choose the gift. Select the priority. Choose the status. Specify the start date and deadline. Let's enter more examples. Let's go back to the gifts sheet in the blocks with data analysis. In the upper section, you can quickly view your overall spending. The budget consumption block shows the remaining funds, helping you manage your budget efficiently. The budgeted and actual chart allows you to compare your planned budget with actual spending. The gifts delivered block displays how many gifts have been delivered out of the total. Let's change the status of one gift to delivered. The data in the chart has been updated. The table below lists the 5 most urgent tasks that require your attention. The summary dashboard block provides an overview of your gifts and shows how many days remain to prepare. The actual cost chart provides a clear view of what you've actually spent. The gifts status chart displays the current status of all your gifts. And one technical point, if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try entering your gift list and budget. You'll see how easy it is to stay organized this holiday season. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching and have a great day.